Hiya pals, in today's video I'm introducing my sister to Bothy life for the very first time. Will she enjoy it? Let's find out. So it's kind of tradition that when we pick up the rucksack we make a right grunt noise like a dad going ugh. So just go with it. You ready? Whoa!
Oh my god, so heavy.
Here we go, here we go. Interesting, I wonder if it's for a well. Finally back out folks. It's been nearly 2 months since I've last been out hiking. It was the Bothy way up far north. But anyways, I'm back out. I've got a special guest this weekend, my little toe blister, Claire. And we've got Luna as well. Whew. Claire's been at me to go a Bothy trip for a while now. So I've picked an easy one. It's about a 4.5, 5 kilometre walk in. Long drive enough, but it's worth it for the shorter walk in. So we should get there in about an hour's time. You winning, Claire? You struggling a bit?
We're only about 10 minutes in. Oh, the cardio.
Got a big bag of firewood here to keep us going. And luckily for Claire, I've got spare sleeping mats and sleeping bags. So I've got a nice rab sleeping bag that'll keep her toasty down to -6. You'll be finding that, Claire.
Oh, I'll be good. He's quite a pup.
I'll go the quick way and walk around.
Where's the fun in that?
You ready? Let's go. Feeling the heat, were you?
A bit, yeah.
Is that better?
Feel the breeze.
Go bold, go cold, that's what they say.
Yeah.
We are only 1 kilometre away from the Bothy. So that's going to take about an hour and a half in total, I reckon. So a really good beginner's Bothy for the toe blister. Now that is a nice setting, isn't it, sis?
It is indeed.
Luna agrees. Eh? Come on then. Come on. Do you know what? That's what happens when you don't look at the map. The Bothy's just there. So we just want to take that track there.
You know, he just had me trying to walk all the way down that way, round the loch, saying that the Bothy's somewhere over there. When actually it's up on this path here that you can see him.
I was just admiring that view. There we have it, folks. The Bothy. Luna there first. In you go. Wow, this looks the business. This is room number 1. This is the main room. This is where we'll stay.
Yeah, this is the best room.
And we'll fit in that. That's us. Got plenty of water.
Oh, it's cold.
Can I help?
Yes, please.
Would you like a hand?
Yes.
Which one? I'll take the cup. Looks like you've been getting the messages.
Yeah, I've just been at the shop.
Thought as much.
Hey Robin,
What?
watch out for these stairs.
That's highly amusing. So there's a little bakery in Calendar. I think it's a Main Street bakery. Popped in there. Got myself a macaroni and jalapeno pie. Look at that bad boy. Let's have a try. Decent. Dog wants a bit. You're not getting a bit. You're not getting a bit. Go see. Go see. Say aye to a calendar. Shush. Sit down. Sit down. You're ruining my video. Sit nice.
My brother's informed me that this is actually a really nice bothy for your first ever bothy stay, and I have to agree, like, it's so lovely. Although he's saying things like, you need to hang your foot up in the middle of the, like in the night, or the mice will get it, and you're like, there's mice? Yeah, there's probably mice. Does that mean there's spiders as well? I'm sure. I'll get over it. It'll be fine.
Away, go get the ball. She's chewed a hole in that.
Oh, so she has.
When did you do that? You're bad, that's when you're good balls.
Oh my god. Luna.
Luna, don't start, we're chilling out here. Go get your ball. Watch the camera.
Nah, do you want a bite?
I'm alright, I've got my one. I got an apple turnover. Again, from the Calendar Bakery. What's it called, the Main Street Bakery? I think it was, aye.
Very busy this morning.
That was heaving. If we'd just been 10 seconds quicker, we'd have got in before that family. That's good. Just having a wee look at the Bothy book. At the front we've got Struan the Bothy dog, and I bet Struan is better behaved than Luna. Anyways, the most recent entry is the 1st of February 2026. Today's date is the 28th of February, so 27 days have gone by since the last visitor. Then we've got the 23rd of January, 11th of January, 2nd of January. So yeah, the visitors certainly trickle in this one. There's somebody Happy New Year. Quite a few New Year actually. Place must have been rocking. What we'll do, we'll just add my entry. I've got the token little Walk with Wallace sticker to go in as well.
You're dressing him.
So wee tail comes in. So big shout out to Wilson's Pet Food who sent me something to try for Luna, which she seems to like. We'll give her the rest now. Get her off my case. Stay. Stay. Go. Claire heating up the old naan bread. I'm doing it for me nan. So that is the slop served. We've got a kunya tandoori with boiling the bag rice. Claire's managed to burn
The naan breads.
the naan breads.
Only on one side, like, look. That's not terrible.
Don't know if you can see that in the camera. Burnt side, good side, burnt side, good side.
We're going to need a lot more salt. That is so tasteless.
Really?
Yeah.
When I had this with Kevin in that buffet, it was actually alright.
Yeah?
Mm.
Oh. I'll leave the salt there.
It's alright.
It's not terrible.
Camping food. Okie dokie folks, we're now having dessert. Claire's made a homemade banana bread and we just chucked some bird's custard on that. Probably can't see it, but it is delish. And the dog wants a bit. Hey Luna. She's really tired, but she's got FOMO and she's just refusing to go to sleep. which is good because she'll sleep tonight once we hit the hay. Whiskey of choice is Jura 10-year-old.
Oh, my favourite.
Signature. You've even got wee shot glasses as well.
Ooh, how fancy.
Do you want to take one just now?
Yeah, go on then.
Do you want one or have you opened up your beer?
I've not opened it yet, no.
Cool, we'll just have a whiskey then. A wee dram.
Let's see how fast this goes to my head because I've been teetotal. Well, I broke it last night with some wine with my friend. But before that, I was teetotal from Boxing Day, and it's now nearly the end of February. I can't see.
So years and years ago, I bought Dad a bottle of whiskey for his birthday.
It's a story time, Robin.
Came up one day and my dad's like, do you want a whiskey? I was like, aye, go on then. I'm sure it was a Jura as well.
Uh-oh.
Poured my whiskey. I was like, Dad, this is watered down. He was like, it's not watered down. I went, Dad, I don't like watered down whiskey. I've not watered it down. So we got the bottle of whiskey out. It looked a bit pale. Mm-hmm. Turns out this one here, you must have been about, what, 14 years old? Younger?
Younger.
You'd been drinking my dad's whiskey and topping up with water, so you never noticed.
Yes.
Yeah.
I really loved whiskey from a young age.
The Bothy TV is roaring. Hey, doggy. Yeah.
Ooh, look at the fire. Man love fire.
Wake up and smell the Bothy. Time to get up.
Ow.
You've got the dog outside. Luna, do you want your breakfast? Do you want your breakfast? We'll get breakfast. It was sounding a bit grim outside, but I'm hoping it was just the roof amplifying the rain and the wind and it's not as bad. But aye, it was waking us up during the night. Anyways, just going to get some breakfast sorted. That's the dog fed. Little toe blisters just getting up after I let the air out our mattress. How did the first Bothy night go then?
It was good.
Would you come again?
Yes, but Luna woke me up every hour, on the hour pretty much.
Just checking up on you.
With a big massive lick on the face.
She was doing that with me as well.
And at some point late in the night there was a massive thud sound that scared the absolute crap out of me.
I think that was the fire just sort of petering out and kind of sort of...
Maybe. And then the urge to pee, but just holding it in because it's too cold.
Standard.
Yeah.
That makes you colder apparently.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you see the beast? Do you have it in your size? Yes, Miss Moneypenny. This should present a notion of paint problems. Look at the wee face under the table.
And there you have it. One beautifully clean fireplace. Look at that.
Quick Bothy tour before we go. We'll start with the left-hand room, which has got its own fireplace. It's got a sleeping platform. Get 2 boards on there. Plenty of chairs. Some spare firewood, etc. And over here, we've got a nice bench and table for cooking on. Moving through to the next room, we've got the snug in the middle. This is pretty standard of this sort of Bothy. Again, another platform that'll sleep 2. And then through to the right hand room where we were last night. Big old fashioned table and bench, toe blister in the corner. Fireplace, not quite as good, but it was drawn nicely last night, so that was fine. And then if I swing round again, another platform for sleeping 2. So yeah, let's go, let's do this. Can my nan have her door back, please? It's the police.